Finally got the airplane. Took quite a while because so many people. I think it took about let me see, like 10 minutes for everyone to get out of the way, and then we can finally go. But yes, we are in Tampa, Florida, right now. We need to go subway baggage claim, shuttle terminal. That's where we go. Dang, all these people waiting to go to Chicago, I think. No, they're going to Austin, Texas, I think. The heck? Oh, my ears. It popped so hard. The last like 20 minutes. Ooh, Starbucks. Want some? No?
Probably gonna bring us away.
You think so? Dang, there's a lot of people here. This is more crowd than the O'Hare. Maybe it's just because it's smaller. Go to the shuttle. They have good stuff here. They have the good. Oh, we get free orange chicken for Panda Express on T-Mobile. Want to use it?
We get like a free meal or something.
Yeah, orange chicken.
No, I'm talking about the plane.
Oh, yeah, we're supposed to, but we didn't redeem it. Yeah, so there was the delay for like 3 hours and 30 minutes. No, 40 minutes. Around there. Around that time. That's, holy crap. Everyone was complaining. And some people were talking about how they call customer service and they demand a full refund. And yeah, it was crazy. Oh, what's that restaurant? Yo! Wait. Terminal. Where's the shuttle? Oh shoot, we went the wrong way probably. Oh, right here. Over here, I think. Yeah, shuttle. Security, TSA. Blech. Blech. Exit. Insane. Shuttle. Where is it? Oh, he's gonna say these. One of these? What? This doesn't look right. Show the terminal. Huh. Doesn't matter which one. What the? Alright. Gotta pause it here for now.
Remember this?
Right. The last 4 or 5 hours, all the time. Okay, Chucky. Over there.
We're about to depart. Please stand clear of the doors.
Never mind. I guess it doesn't matter.
And handrails firmly at all times.
Oh gosh.
It's gonna stay for a while, but
Yeah.
I wonder which way it went goes.
When it get hot, when it get dry, it's dry.
it's good. The temperatures are a bit down. It's gonna be down, so it's good.
This is burning hot.
It's something hot, it's something humid. It's cold and humid. It's still like upper 90s.
We are approaching the main terminal and Airport Marriott Hotel. Please follow signs for rental cars, baggage claim, and ground transportation.
That's like how I keep all of it.
Oh, that's good.
I don't mind. I don't mind the rain. My knowledge is down. Huge.
That's right.
What is it, B?
Baggage claim. What is this? Look, that's right. I think it's wrong.
What did it say?
Baggage claim.
Is it?
Yeah. It's not baggage claim, is it? This is not baggage claim. This is the main terminal. Huh.
I can't see for shit.
Jovis Ladies Gomez, please pick up the nearest courtesy telephone. Jovis Ladies Gomez.
Ah, ah.